Robert Koch, 1843-1910. Title: Bacteriology, Robert Koch. Learning objective: you will be able to explain how Robert Koch identified bacteria that causes common diseases. Learning outcome: describe what bacteriology is and how it was developed. Explain how Robert Koch's discovery helped further vaccinations. Excellent progress. Evaluate the impact of Robert Koch's discovery. Keywords for today's lesson: bacteriology, the study of bacteria, especially in relation to medicine and agriculture. Pathogen, a bacterium, virus, or other microorganism that can cause disease. Koch's postulates, 4 criteria established by Robert Koch to identify the causative agent of a particular disease. Anthrax bacillus had been discovered by Pallender, Rayner, and Devane in 1850. Bacillus anthracis is a gram-positive and rod-shaped bacterium that causes anthrax, a deadly disease to livestock and occasionally to humans. It is the only permanent pathogen within the genus Bacillus. Its infection is a type of zoonosis, as it is transmitted from animals to humans. Robert Koch set himself to prove scientifically that this bacillus is, in fact, the cause of the disease. In 1876, Robert Koch inoculated mice by means of homemade slivers of wood with anthrax bacilli, taken from the spleens of farm animals that had died of anthrax, and found that these mice were all killed by the bacilli, whereas the mice inoculated at the same time with blood from the spleens of healthy animals did not suffer from the disease. This confirmed the work of others who had shown that the disease can be transmitted by means of the blood of animals suffering from anthrax. Postulate theory, Koch's postulates. Postulate 1. The same microorganisms are present in every case of the disease. Postulate 2. The microorganisms are isolated from the tissues of a dead animal in a pure culture. Postulate 3. Inoculation of pure culture into a healthy susceptible animal reproduced the disease. Postulate 4. The identical microorganisms are isolated in pure culture from lesions of the experimental animal. Dr. Robert Koch's 4 criteria. Dr. Robert Koch developed the basic criteria to demonstrate that a disease is caused by a particular organism. Koch states that the microorganism must be found in abundance in all organisms which are suffering from the disease, but not in organisms that are healthy. The microorganism must be isolated from a diseased organism and must be grown in pure culture. This cultured microorganism must then cause disease when introduced into a healthy organism. Finally, the microorganism must be again isolated from the diseased host and identified as identical to the original specific causative agent. Robert Koch's theory led to the anthrax vaccine being developed. John Joseph Henry Toussaint, a veterinarian in Toulouse, developed an early anthrax vaccine by killing the bacilli with heat. In July 1880, he reported successful trials in dogs and sheep to the French Academy of Sciences. Louis Pasteur conducted a famous public experiment at Pouilly-le-Fort in May 1881 to demonstrate his own vaccine's efficacy. While Pasteur publicly claimed his vaccine was a live, air-attenuated version, his laboratory notebooks reveal he actually used potassium dichromate inactivated vaccine, similar to Toussaint's method. All vaccinated animals survived. The anthrax vaccine worked. Hans Christian Joachim Gram, Danish bacteriologist, in 1884 developed the Gram stain, a technique used to classify bacteria and visualize them under a microscope, classifying bacteria into gram-positive, purple, and gram-negative, pink and red. Robert Koch steam sterilizer. Robert Koch and his associates developed their steam sterilizer, a non-pressure flowing steam device, in 1881. Koch's work on the disinfectant properties of steam and hot air began around 1881, highlighting the superior penetration of moist heat, steam, over dry heat. The Koch steam sterilizer was often a tin plate apparatus designed for microbiological research, used for the fractional sterilization. While Charles Chamberlain invented the pressurized autoclave medical steam sterilizer in 1879, Robert Koch developed his popular flowing steam sterilizer shortly after for research purposes. What was Robert Koch's most significant impact on the development of medicine? identification of pathogens. Koch's method allowed the identification of bacteria responsible for diseases like anthrax, tuberculosis, and cholera. Koch's postulates. The four principles establish a systematic method to link specific microbes to specific diseases. Public health improvements. Koch's discoveries led to better hygiene practices and strategies to prevent the spread of infectious diseases. You may like to pause the video and take a moment to arrange these events in the correct chronological order. Let's sort these events into the correct chronological order. 1843, Robert Koch is born in Klufall, Germany. 1876, Koch discovers the bacterium that causes anthrax, Bacillus anthracus. 1882, Koch identifies the bacteria responsible for tuberculosis and formulates Koch's postulates. 1884, he discovers the bacteria that causes cholera. 1905, Koch is awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for his work on tuberculosis. In 1910, Robert Koch dies in Baden-Baden, Germany. In review of today's lesson, we can describe what bacteriology is and how it was developed. We can also explain how Robert Koch's discovery helped further vaccinations. We have also evaluated the impact of Robert Koch's discovery. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you and goodbye.